This is Mamta Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view. This is our top view. This is our front view, and this is our right side view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the right side view. In the right side view, I'll draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 60 by 80. Then I'll distribute it from the midplane to 110 unit. After that, I will draw another uh, center rectangle, and this center rectangle has a distance of 60 minus 25 along this way, and 80 minus 30 along this way. Okay, 80 minus 30 along this way. Then I'll extrude this portion. After that, we can see in the top face I'll cut this rectangle, and for cutting this rectangle I'll draw a center line along this. Then I'll draw two offset line, and is as the total distance is 40 unit, the offset distance will be 40 divided by 2, so it will be 20 unit. Okay, then I'll close the shape, then I'll extrude cut, and then finally I'll draw two extrude cut hole here, and each of the extrude cut hole we can see this portion has a diameter of 12 unit, and this the other portion has a diameter of 6 unit. As this bolt don't have any dimension, I will give it this portion to 5 unit. Okay, and the other portion here I'll give it to 20 unit. Okay, then we can see we have some chamfers, and here and here, and this portion, and all the chamfer are 3 by 45-degree angle. Then we can see we have some filleting here and here, this portion. Okay, these two fillets, and they have a radius of 6 unit. Okay, so go back to our SolidWorks, and I'm selecting the right plane. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the center rectangle and place the center rectangle here. And now draw a draw a center rectangle of 80 by 60 unit. Okay, so you have done a center rectangle of 80 by 60 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 110 unit. So we are extrude bossing it to 110 unit. Okay, from the mid plane. Okay, now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now select this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle. I'm selecting the corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle, and this corner rectangle has a vertical distance of 80 minus 30 unit, and a horizontal distance of 60 minus 25 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now cut. Now cut it to through all. So I'm extruding to through all. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now I'm selecting this front face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the center line tool from here and draw a center line, and this center line has a dimension of 25 units, so dimension to 25 unit. Now select the offset units and select this line to offset, and we have a total offset of 40 units, so half offset will be 40 divided by 2. Now make sure to select bidirectional cap in, and now line tool. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude. Sorry. Now extrude cut. Now select the extrude cut portion, and now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now it's time for drawing all the whole wizard. So I'm selecting the whole wizard to form here, and now select this one legacy hole, and from that select the shape that matches. Let's see which one matches our shape. Okay, the counterbore portion has matched quite well. So now we are going to select the diameter. Okay, so the C board diameter here is 12 unit. Then the other diameter is 6 unit, and the total depth is 25 unit. Now the C board depth, I am going to select the C board depth as 5 unit, as it is not given. so I'm selecting is a 5 unit. Okay, now go to position, now 3D sketch, now position two holes here and here. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool, now go to view orientation, now select this face. Okay, now select this point and this vertical line, and they have a horizontal distance of 30 unit. Now select this hole and this horizontal line, and it has a vertical distance of 25 unit, and similarly also give this hole a vertical distance of 25 unit, so dimension it to 25 unit, and both have a distance apart from 50 unit, so dimension it to 50 unit. Now press OK, and now isometric it for a better view. Okay, our this portion has been done. Now it's time for chamfer. So I'm selecting the chamfer tool from here, and we have a chamfer of 3 by 45 degree angle. So I'm selecting 3 by 45 degree angle. Now select this corner and select this corner and other two corner also. So all the corner has been selected. Now press OK. So our chamfer has been done. Now it's time for fillet. So I'm selecting the fillet tools from here, and now dimension it to 6 unit. So filleting it to 6 unit. Select this corner and rotate it here, and select the other side corner also. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have done 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.